Hello everyone. In this video, we are going to discuss about the page replacement policies in operating system. There are many page replacement algorithms. Among those, the most important algorithms are the FIFO, LRU, and optimal page replacement. These three algorithms we are discussing with a given string as given here. Before diving into these algorithms, we'll have an idea about the page replacement, why we have to go for the page replacement policy algorithms. So here we have a page replacement algorithms are the techniques used in operating systems to manage memory efficiently when the physical memory is full. When a new page need to be loaded into the physical memory and there is no free space, these algorithms determine which existing page to replace. So here just we can notice the diagrammatical representation in which we have a hard disk and this is the main memory physical address. It will be allocated with the main memory. And this is the virtual address where the execution of the program it will be taking by using these pages. These are the required pages for the execution of the particular program. Initially, our program pages will be allocated in the hard disk. In hard disk, we have many files here and files are converted into number of pages. And these pages are required to store in the main memory before taking into the execution. So this one, it is called as mapping of the page to the frame. Main memory will be divided into number of parts here. Each partition, it is called as a frame. So number of frames will be taken in the main memory and number of pages are there in the hard disk. So here we have when any of the program execution, how many processes are required, they can allocate. The processes are nothing but pages here. They will be allocating the frame location. See in this example, in order to execute the particular program, we need total 5 pages A, B, C, D, E. And here we have in main memory, only it is allocated with 3 pages, 3 frames it will be allocated A, B, C. So when it is coming to the D, it is required to take it from the hard disk to main memory. Now there is a free space, it will be allocating wherever there is a free space and it will take to the execution. Suppose in case we have a physical address, that is the frame. Number of frames are only 3 here, 1, 2, 3. So first time when it will start the execution of program, it will takes A, B, C. A, B, C it will be allocating and it will be starting the execution. As execution process it is continued, next it is required D. D it is not allocated in the main memory and main memory it is not having any space to allocate the D. In that case, it is required to bring that page D from hard disk to that of the main memory. In that case, any one of the page which previously allocated in the frame to be swapped into the hard disk. And from hard disk, one of the page it is required to take into the main memory. From there, it will go for the execution. This it is called as a replacement of the pages. The page it will be replacing from main memory to the hard disk and the required page it will be replacing from the hard disk to main memory. And from there, it will be taking the execution. This process, it is a page replacement and operating system will be deciding which of the frame it will be replaced with which of the page, means which of the frame to be sent to the hard disk. And in that place, what is the page required? It is required to bring here. If any of the required page it is not available at that moment in the main memory, it is called as a page fault. Also, we may say it is a missing page. And once it is referring the pages from the main memory, all the available pages from the main memory to that of the execution is called as a locality of reference. This is the locality of the reference, means in the local area itself, it will be having all the pages for the execution here. So this process, operating system, how it will be deciding the replacement of that page as well as frame, those we can discuss in terms of the algorithms here. Here we have a different algorithms, first in, first out algorithm, and one more we have a least recently used, and one more least frequently used. These three with example we can discuss in the next video. Thank you for watching.